Hello everyone! Welcome back to our coding tutorials. Today, we'll explore how to add some style to a web page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Our goal is to create a button with a unique background effect. So let's dive into the code and see how it's done. Now, in our CSS file, we've set up a flexible layout for the body, centering our button both horizontally and vertically. The button itself has some cool styles, including a dynamic background and a special effect when clicked. Let's break it down step by step. Our button has a fixed width and height, a nice font size, and a border radius for rounded corners. It's positioned relative to its container. And we've added a background with a gradient that gives it a futuristic feel. And there you have it, with just a few lines of code. We've transformed a simple webpage into something visually appealing and interactive. Feel free to experiment with these styles and make your web projects stand out. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!